Father Jacob. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Yon Wonders. Thanks guys for watching and subscribing my channel. Please stay connected and stay safe. Today, we are in the balcony and we can see the Burj Khalifa over there. You can see also the Dubai frame and the car. Today, we will do another experiment. Do you know what it is? It's elephant toothpaste. Are you ready? Then let's get started. Before we do any other experiment, we need to use safety goggles for your eye protection. You'll need 2 plastic empty bottles, warm water, hydrogen peroxide, cups, yeast, food coloring, and this soap. Are you ready? Then let's get started. First, we will put hydrogen peroxide. Use adult supervision if needed. Now we will put food coloring. Now we will put dishwashing liquid. Now we will pour the yeast in the water. The mixture is ready, so we will now pour the mixture. Whoa, it's almost exploding. Oops. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome the elephant toothpaste. You probably saw lots of bubbles and foam in this activity. Wow! Did you see that? It's so amazing! Why don't you make your own elephant toothpaste using other food colorings? When the hydrogen peroxide comes into contact with the yeast, it starts breaking down into water and oxygen. Oxygen is a gas and therefore wants to escape the liquid. The dish soap added to the reaction traps these bubbles, forming a foam. The reaction continues as long as there is some hydrogen peroxide and yeast left. Once one of them runs out, it stops making new foam. Welcome the elephant toothpaste again! Woo-hoo! Guys, hope you like our experiment today. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that I can make more of my exciting and amazing videos. See you on our next experiment. Bye bye.
You come also. What you say?
You and watching. Yeah. Thank you for watching.